Hello, Luxe Beauties, and welcome back to Lifestyle Luxe with Gina. If you are new here, I'm Gina, and I love sharing tips on beauty, lifestyle, and all things that make life a little more fabulous, right? So I'm excited to walk you through my weekly perfume tray. Wearing has become one of my favorite rituals, just to feel confident all day, elegant, and of course, to smell good. So let's go ahead and dive into this week's picks. So I always usually start off with my perfume just to see what I want to smell like for the day. So I picked my perfume out first. So this one is Yara by Latafa. It's an Arabic perfume. And this one has notes of amber and vanilla. It smells really, really, really good. So I wanted to pair it with something in that category. So this was the first one. And with everything I'm talking about today, it will be linked below in the description box in case you want to purchase it yourself. Not only is this is real cute, isn't it? I love this bottle. But this is real cute. It looks great in your collection of your perfumes. So I paired this with the Fresh and Cozy, the EOS. Now this Fresh and Cozy EOS, it's just that. It's fresh and cozy. It's not much of a smell. It just smells nice. It just smells cozy, fresh. That's what it smells like. So I paired it with this, and then I went in with the Vanilla Bean Noel, which of course is that vanilla in there, and that just smells really good. So I wore this Monday last week, but this one smells really good. This is a great combination that if you are just wanting something chill, you wanting something just to go out to the store or whatever, this is a great combination. Absolutely love this. And with all of the ones that I do, I always use this Daily Aveeno right along with it. Okay. I did this. So that was on Monday. Okay. So on Tuesday, I went in with the Burberry Her. This is probably one of my favorites. I will be getting these ones in big, like the bigger bottles. I like to start off with the small and the samples just to make sure that I'm going to like it and to make sure that I am going to actually use it. I don't like wasting money, y'all. So anyways, this Burberry Her, I went in with this one. This one I love. It's like jasmine and berries, and this smells so good. But I also wanted to layer it with something else. So I went in with this one, Amber Vanilla Dossier, and this one's very affordable as well. But I went ahead and went in with this as well. Ooh, and this one just paired very good. My Sparkling Amber. Ooh, it's elegant. It's just such an elegant smell. And it just brought in a little bit of warmth to the trio. Went in with the Sol de Janeiro for my body mist and the number 62. And to me, this was probably one of the best smelling days. I absolutely love this combination. If you need to know how to layer it to get your perfume to last all day, I will link a video on how to make your perfume last, the order that you're supposed to put everything on, what makes it stick, all that good stuff. So I'll go ahead and link that below as well. But I went in on that on Tuesday, and this is one of my favorites. I love this combo. Okay, so the next day, I went in, I think this was Wednesday. Now I bought this perfume sampler, and I will link the video where I went over each one. So I want to get through these and see what do I want to use for what did I want to buy for my big perfume, which I did get that. But I don't believe in wasting money. I'm not that person that's going to just have a bunch of perfumes lying around and lotions. If I have them, I'm going to use them. So I wanted to see what would pair well with what and kind of see what I wanted to buy all in the bigger sizes. So this day I went in with the Juliet Has a Gun. It's called Not a Perfume. It's like a very clean, elegant, it just smells good. It's just clean, elegant, like you just stepped out of a nice shower and your clothes is real clean. You just smell real good. So I paired that with, and then I went in with also the Vanilla Romance to kind of play on that, but not overpower this Juliet Has a Gun because this is so light. It was one of the better days that I wore too. Love this combination. This is a great combination, and not sure that I will get this in a big one yet. I'll have to wear it a little bit more and see. And you do get a few wears out of these. I have a little bit left. I probably can get another day or so. So yeah, so that's another option, is getting them in sample sizes. See if you like them instead of just wasting all this money and never use them. On Thursday, I did the same thing, went back in with my package, and I did the 7 Virtues of Vanilla Woods. And this is like Madagascar oil, and it smells so good. It just smells like, it's like a grown-up vanilla, not like a little kiddish vanilla. That smelled really good. I went in, you guys, surprise, surprise, with a peppermint cashmere. This do not smell like peppermint. You have to try it. This smells so good. Like, oh, I love this. It has a hint of peppermint. It comes through, but it comes through as an adult. It's just a very sexy, sensual, ooh, love this, right? And then I turned around and went in with the Snowflakes and Cashmere by BBW. This is one of my favorites, y'all. I love this. If I could, I would wear this every day, but I know it's not my signature scent. Ooh, but I love this. Love, love, love it. I do have a signature scent, which is something where if they're going to know it's me because I've paired something together. I'm going to do a video on how you can pair together and get your favorite signature scent as well. But then I paired these ones right here, and oh my gosh, this was an amazing day. It smelled so good. Like, I can't even tell y'all how important it is to grab you a perfume sampler if you are not used to wearing perfumes, because it's going to teach you what you like and it's going to teach you what you don't like. And Friday was date night. And so date night, I always try to do something a little bit sexier. Killian, I don't need a prince to be my, I don't need a prince by my side to be a princess. I love this perfume. This one, whew, is so good. It's a little bit sweet because it has like notes of marshmallow in it, vanilla. And so of course you want to pair that with something that's going to make you smell even more gourmand. So like this right here, this one is gourmand. This is the vanilla cashmere. This is one of my favorite, and because this one it's vanilla, I mean, it smells amazing and it goes very well with that. Ooh, love this one. And then I just paired this along with the Sol de Janeiro number 59, and this one has a sweeter play on that as well. And this one has sweeter, like creamy coconut is in here, and praline. So it has that sweeter tone, but I use this and I was in heaven. And my husband loved it. So those are what I did for the week. That was all, 5 days. I will tell you, I also had a little gathering. It don't always turn out right. We had a little family gathering on my husband's side, and I wind up using Fenty, but I'll tell y'all in the next video of that. I couldn't even stand the way I smelled myself. Always make sure you like the smell before you leave the house. All right, and that wraps up all of my picks for the week. So if you are interested and want to follow my channel, go ahead and thumbs up, and also subscribe and leave a comment. Introduce yourself. Let me know if you're new to the channel or some things that you even like to see here on YouTube. So with that being said, I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all stay fabulous and luxurious. Talk to y'all later and see you in the next video.